What's great, everyone, man? Welcome back to Quinton Elite Circle, man. If you're new to channel, please don't forget to subscribe, you like, you comment, and the most important thing, turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time when we are literally dropping the videos. So anyway, guys, this is the first videos. Those people, they knows me from Quinton FX Academy. So right now we are actually under Quinton Elite Circle. So I don't know how you guys, bro. How you guys doing? Anyway, you know what you're dealing with in this channel, guys. We're mainly focusing by breaking down the indices, which is NAS100, US30, and also gold sometimes, and German 30. But in today's videos, which is the recent video right now, I'm eventually going to break it down only US30 and NAS100. So as you can see right now, the charts I'm on right now, it's on NAS100. You know that each and every time, guys, you must understand the structure of the market. You must actually know where the market is heading and where the market comes from. We're still back, guys. I would just say I'm literally sorry, guys, for not actually alerting you guys on what happened based on a previous account and based on a previous channel. Like, got hacked and stuff like that. So there was a lot of things that was happening. So but eventually right now we're back. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you turn on that notification bell, because we are about to drop the videos every single time. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see right now, guys, we're still inside the bullish structure. But now when you can check the setting price, which is this price, is our third touch for the reversal for selling opportunities. So it's quietly giving us that they are actually looking forward to reverse to the downsides, but then we are actually looking for the buys once they break this high. But then it's possible for you to understand first what they're about to do right here. It's where we eventually going to go to a smaller time frame, trying to break it down to you and understand what they exactly happening there. So as you can see what's happening here, guys, what's happening is that the market has been consolidating between the two zones, which is we have this first one, and then we are probably having this second one. So we have a support and also resistance. What we actually looking for is that the market has been playing inside this level zone, try to actually reconsider the direction that they're about to take. So as you can see right now, when I'm looking towards to the smaller time frame, which is where we are about to actually at least chop some quite peeps, I'm gonna delete this trend, guys, so that you can see clearly. Yeah, now I'm gonna consider this as my major resistance, because of I just removed that one from a weekly. So right now what's happening is that we actually see that we are inside the consolidation zone, guys. See the whole structure, the market is inside the consolidation zone. So if you actually scalping, if you actually did whatever, what type of trading what type of trader you are, that's where you actually diving into the smaller time frame, trying to look for the certain positions. But you literally need to understand the structure first. So what's happening right here is that I can understand that the market from this certain price, which is this price level here, they came to this support, and then they went back again to that, but they failed to touch that certain price right here. So we are going to mark this as another zone, right? We're going to mark this as another zone level. So what's eventually happening now, we have two zones, which is we have that measure that we consider, and then we have this one that we are about to look forward to. So this zone is the one that we are about to look forward to, because the market, they wanted to go test the first one, but they eventually rejected here, and then they actually respected twice. As you can see right here, they respected it twice right here. You get me? So it shows that we must consider this as our current resistance now. So what's happening is that we are about to actually mark the certain price right here. This is where the market comes from, and this is where the market is heading. So as you can see, this is a clean beautiful touch from this price. It's a clean, a very beautiful touch from this price, guys. You don't need to reconsider that, man. You can see it. So they eventually give us the first touch right here, and they give us the second touch, and then now they actually fail to reconsider our third touch so that we can actually confirm our selling opportunities. So what we're about to do is that we're about to draw a certain retracement level where we are about to look for the entry price levels. And now what we actually looking forward now, already the market is reversing towards to this price. Let's just jump to 1 hour, guys. So I want to make it very clear. Most of the time I certainly look for a time frame to time frame so I can understand. So as you can see right here, we're about to wait for the market to reverse into this certain zone again before we actually enter our selling opportunities, or whatever the certain direction that they're about to give us, because they, as you can see right now, they reverse towards to the zone. They're about to touch here and then consider the drop to the downsides, or possibly if they break certain movement, change of structure, reversal, and then boom to the top. This is how it is, clean as it is. I don't know why you guys making this chart so difficult. What's so perfectly difficult? What actually most traders struggle with? They struggle with consistency and patience to wait for the setup to appear. So as you can see right now, I don't think I'm gonna get this reversal currently right now. I think I'm gonna get it when the New York sessions open. You get me? Because right now when I check time, it's already 11:55. So this is how it is. Maybe I'm not gonna get this around New York session, and I'm gonna share it with my team. Of course, make sure that you click the link and join our VIP group for free. That's it. We don't sell anything, guys. So I'm gonna bounce to US30, same as what I did on Nasdaq, understanding the structure. So guys, already I can see that we're pushing the bullish. I won't be able to break it down for you. You can see that we're still in a bullish, right? Here it is. You can see that the market has been buying. You can see from this low, guys, you can see from probably from this low that the market has been buying. So there is no need for you to reconsider yourself and say, hey, what type of a direction am I going to be looking for? You're looking for the buys. But now the smaller time frame considers the reversals, that they'll be able to actually manipulate those buys that you want. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Let's just get into the charts. You can understand it while I'm analyzing. So I'm gonna clone it and understand what's the price that they literally want to go to. What's the price that they're respecting? What's the actually the journey? That's the thing, right? So now we bounce into a daily time frame. When we bounce into the daily time frame, we already see that we are inside a very beautiful bullish structure. So what is actually happening is that we are about to actually mark from a daily time frame to check what is happening now inside this bullish structure. We understand what we have is a trend inside a trend, where the market actually do some trend inside the trend, which is the movement that you see in a bigger time frames. When you tryna go slow down to the to the smaller time frame, you are about to see what they are eventually forming, what the reversals what are the reversals for. So I'm eventually going to bounce to H4. When I'm bouncing to H4, already I can see I'm inside the bullish structure, guys. It's beautiful, man. You can see that. I'm gonna throw it very clean. I love clean charts. So now I'm gonna delete this one. You know why, guys? I'm deleting it because the market is not yet being broken. This daily one, this one is a daily one, which is the one that I'm going to focus on this week, unless we break it. That's all. So right now what's happening is that I'm gonna be looking forward for above this trend line. This will be my trend line at this point to check, are these people going to go there and test it, or are they doing continuation? Are they going to come and test this price, or are they doing continuation to the top? Because now you see what you see, I see what I see. So I'm gonna be looking for the support right here, because this will be my current support. You know why am I taking this as a current support? Because the market has been rejecting it since from Friday. Remember, today is Monday, so the market closed off here on Friday, so I'm taking it as a support. So I want to check on a smaller time frame where I'm about to enter regarding the support I've drawn. As you can see, it doesn't eventually appear here. Let me just draw it on a H1, and I will delete that one on a H4. Then I can get the perfect beautiful entry. So let me just delete this one so that it cannot confuse me. There we go. There we go. So now, as you can see, when we're bouncing, to look at this, now I'll be dropping with them. They will be playing inside these level zones, but what I am looking forward to is at least the market break the certain price, this one, for them to continuously go into the top, right? For them to continuously go into the top. For the downsides right now, maybe I can start look for those sells, guys. I don't know what I am now. I'm gonna start looking for the sells, because as you can see here, there's so many rejection happens here. Get me? Hey, so what I'm about to look for is the reversals towards to that zone, guys. Oh my god. So I'm about to delete this trend line, but I'm not going to hold this position for the longer period of time, because I think they actually want to come to this price. They want to reverse towards to this zone first, and then they can drop to this zone, and then so that he can continuously go to the top, just like this. This is what I am looking forward to. So at this current point, that's why I was saying, if ever I want to take my buying opportunities, I will wait for them to break this certain zone to the top. This is how the setups will be. So for now, I can just wait for them to reverse to that certain price level, and which is this one, and trying to scalp my beautiful sells to the reversals. You get me? And you know, man, you can't just control the market, but you follow the market. So once they actually break that, you know that you are eventually looking for the market to push to the top. That's how it is. So I think I'm done, guys. I'm just gonna break it down with you like this. As told you guys, I'm gonna give you only US30 and NAS100. I don't know what you guys think, man. Should I just give you gold right now? Okay, let's just bounce the gold. Here we are, guys. Remember this? As you can see right now, the market has been dropping as a reversal. Gold has been going down though. I don't know what they're looking forward to around the zone they are right now. The current price where they are, I think they are looking forward to reverse to the top, guys. I don't know. I'm trying to follow them. I don't know. So right now I'm gonna mark the certain zone, which is this one. Ne? And you guys want to be asking, hey man, why you already considering the certain price right there? I'll be like, no, this certain price is where the market has been rejecting so much. You see, 1, 2, and then 3, even if they didn't touch, and 1, 2. You get me? So what am I seeing here is that they actually willing to reverse to the top, but now we have to find the confirmation on a smaller time frames, right? So now this is my current support, and I will be placing my second current resistance, because I don't know, I got flu, man. You gotta just forgive me for that, man. Hey, sorry. So as we recently placed our current resistance, we have a second resistance, which is what we call a zone, and that just bounced to a daily. When we bounce into the daily, now we understand exactly what gold is trying to do, exactly clean thing, because right now once gold break this certain support, we drop into the downsides, guys. And then for now, as they playing above, we might start look for those buys. I don't know what we're looking for, but we're gonna be looking for whatever the market giving us. You get? So I'm gonna draw my trend line from this certain price right here, so that I can understand the structure. I does this so I can understand the structure. So as you can see right here, and then I will be cloning it. Then I will be cloning it. Sorry guys, ish. And then I will be cloning it, right? and then I will be cloning it. When I clone it very beautifully, now I understand the tashes. Now I understand what they're trying to do. So I'm gonna bounce to H4 time frame. When we bounce into the H4 time frame, I just want to see trend inside this trend, because right now, as you can see, I already see the downtrend. So I want another trend to confirm what I am actually saying on a daily time frame, right? So now when I'm actually bouncing to this, I'll be gonna zoom a bit here. So I'm gonna take this as my current resistance. I don't know why am I looking it for the resistance, because it's still the same as this trend line, right? It's still the same as this trend line. Once they break this trend line, they already broke their resistance. It's clean. That's how it is. So but now I'm gonna mark it so I can understand it, and this is my current support, right? So from this current support right here, I'm going to mark the trend line from where the market comes from to where they actually heading. So I understand now. No man, these people, they did a breakout on a H4. Now for me to confirm it, I'm bouncing it to H1, right? I'm bouncing it to H1. Now in H1 I see is okay, the breakout happens, but the reversals is not yet been confirmed. So I literally need to confirm the breakout, the reversals. But unfortunately I cannot confirm it, as this where the market they are right now, because now I cannot enter these cells because my reversal is not valid. You get me? My reversal is not valid. They actually need to come back to respect this trend line. Beautiful. Let me just draw right here. Beautiful here, right? Yes, if ever maybe I'm sorry guys. If ever maybe they actually you actually entered right here, yes, you're safe, you can hold. But for me, as I just recently opened the charts, I'm gonna wait for them to come and respect the zone, and then that's where I'm gonna get my confirmation. Clean. This is how it is, like this. You're gonna be waiting for them to come here and then drop to the downside. So if ever you want to take the actually buys, now you're about to wait for them to break the current and close above, remember, and then take your buys to the top. This is how it is, man. Gold is like this. Even if gold is manipulative, but now one thing I love about it is that it can give you a structure some other time. So anyway guys, man, this is the end of the video. If you actually push this video till this far, man, I just want to say thank you very much. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you comment, and turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time when we drop in our second video. Champagne.